Here's what people don't tell you about business. Business is one of the most important things in our society, right? And they say that if you want to be successful, you need a business. You don't want to work for someone, have a business. Business this, business that. But nowadays we see so many things on YouTube, on TikTok, on all these different social media platforms with these business gurus, right? These business gurus sit there and tell you, oh, invest in real estate. I invested in my first property when I was 21 years old with a nickel and a quarter, right? Like, all these different things and different advices, right? But there's so much advice on the internet that we get so lost and confused as to, okay, what do we actually need to do to create a business? And again, going back to the business gurus, it's like, yep, if you're not trading stocks, you're not doing this, not that, then whoop, then you're not making any money. But again, it's not just about finding a get rich quick scheme, but it's about understanding what you want to do business in. And business isn't just those simple tactics, but it's about creating something that you want to believe in, creating something that you're passionate about so that it doesn't feel like you're slaving away and grinding every day. Because at the end of the day, isn't that why people don't want to have a job? So they don't feel like they're grinding for something they don't believe in. So again, you have to find something that you believe in yourself. And obviously everyone wants to do it, but you have to have a plan and have passion behind it for it to be successful. And something people don't tell you that I want to start off with is when you're an entrepreneur, right? That word gets thrown around so loosely nowadays, but being an entrepreneur means that you're going to be the salesman. You're going to be the UI UX designer. You're going to be the website creator. You're going to be this person and that person. You're going to wear every single hat. You're going to be the operations person. You're going to do every single part of the business at first because you don't have money to invest in having employees or people. So when you're creating something new and you're creating a new business, you're creating a new revenue stream, it's gonna be you versus you for a really long time. However long that is, how fast you can get things done. And again, it's the hardest thing in the world to put money in behind something and not see revenue or profits in it until 2 years, 3 years, 4 years later. And again, it's because you're creating something from scratch. And I think that's something people don't talk about with entrepreneurship is to do something that matters, to do something that's new, and to create a business, it might be hard. But if you have some money, you have a little bit of money to play and start up with, then you have to understand how to spend that money properly. You have to know what things are going to happen. You're going to fail here and there. It's the road to success that you need to go down. And again, these business gurus make it seem easy, get rich quick. But again, if you get it quick, it goes away quick. But if you build quality habits as a business owner, someone who understands the game, that's when you're going to be truly successful. Having a business creates a lot of risk and uncertainty. That is, again, why most people get worried or scared to enter that market because that safe job will allow you to have and fun for people that you're supporting or to support yourself. And again, that's really important. So before you step into it, make sure you have some sort of understanding of, okay, I can do this right now. And if you're waiting on it, make sure you're planning on how to make it work after you leave a job or when you're doing it on the side or sacrificing some pleasures of life to build it after work. And again, these are sacrifices you have to make constantly to make sure you build a successful business. And while you're building your business, while you're building your company, while you're doing whatever it is you're doing, remember, people are going to judge you. People are always going to have opinions. And even after you've done it and you've become a little bit successful, even if you're making the same amount of money you were making at your job, people will still tell you, I wish you still had your original job. Why? Because they can tell people, hey, yeah, they have a job. They're so successful. They have a job. They graduated college, got a job at an elite institution. But again, it's not about that. It's about what you want to do with your life and improve yourself through the business that you've created for yourself. And again, people would rather work 9 to 9 on a business that they enjoy to make the exact same money doing something they hate. Again, it's about what you're doing. You want to enjoy. You want to have control of your own destiny. And again, when you have a business, right, there's not a cap of a salary. However hard you work, you will get that back out. Just make sure you know what you're going into that can be profitable. Know where the future is headed. Have a plan. Have a business plan. Think about it. And again, don't just jump in, quit everything, and just go blind. Make sure you have a plan. This journey is continuous. You're going to constantly learn things. You're going to constantly adapt. You're going to go do so many different things within your business. So make sure, again, you know the steps needed. And it's something that these gurus don't talk about. They're just like, yep, join my course, become rich. Okay, now you join a course to make stocks and make money through stocks, right? You just gave this person $400 to do some course about stocks, right? They take that $400 and they play with it and have fun, and now they're making money and you're sitting there $400 in the hole, and they're going to give you some call outs and shout outs, but you don't know what to do. You didn't learn the knowledge. You didn't learn the technical analysis. So what do you know? You're just thinking it's a get rich quick scheme. Pay them $400. Now I'm going to be rich. But again, know the game you're entering. Especially if you're dealing with financial issues and woes already, this is going to be a hard struggle. There's going to be a lot of insecurity. There's going to be a lot of things where you don't know where your next check's coming from. You don't know if you have to get a little side gig job just to make a little extra money to make ends meet. So again, when you're going into this, you have to have a plan. Know what you're going to do. Know you can make it work. And you have to be okay with investing a lot of your money and not seeing returns for a while. But you understand you have a vision, you have a plan. Also, by knowing a plan, know what market you're entering. If the market is super saturated and there's already so much people there, it's gonna be even harder to make it a breakthrough. But if you understand that it's popular, there's some buzz, there's some trend going on here where you can kind of hop on the wave and you have the idea and you have the idea for, well, keep growing and going. Again, it's about knowing what to do. If you have competition, that's a good thing. That means you're in the right field. But if there's zero competition at all, be a little cautious. And remember, you're always gonna have these external pressures. Block out the noise. Don't listen to everyone's opinion. Listen to your opinion. Listen to your intuition. Do the things that you know need to get done. Because if you do it that way, something will work out for you. Because again, that plan. So again, don't just listen to every business guru that tells you to just to invest in real estate, just to do crypto, just to trade stocks. Have a plan of what you want to do. Do things that you want to do. Because again, that's the point of having a business. If you love food and you want to create a restaurant, do so. Have a plan. Think of a menu. Do taste testings before you even buy the joint. Sell it out of your house. Anything. Because again, you have to know that it's a viable option for success. Make sure you have a plan. That's my number one thing that I've said over and over again throughout this video. And again, if you have a story about business, please leave it in the comments. If you guys know anything that you've kind of dealt through with business, please leave it in the comments for someone else to read and adapt to. Because if you know something in business that you wish you would have known, please feel free to comment it down below. And be sure to subscribe, like, share, and follow for more. And again, engage with this. I love it. YouTube loves it. So again, thank you guys again for tuning in. And every week I'll be dropping more business or personal development videos. So I'd love for you guys to support and tune into the next one. See you guys next time.